everyone, my name is Mallory and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing for you guys for one of curlBOX's special edition boxes. Now, you guys know that I love curlBOX. I'm subscribed. I do an unboxing every month. But every so often, if you pay attention to their social media, they'll release like special boxes or one-time boxes. And I ordered one. And it's actually from Aussie, so they can put a little card in there. I've never tried their products before, and the box was $10, so no brainer. I'm gonna buy like 6 products for $10, absolutely. So they have a card in there from the team. It says, we're excited to have you try our brand's new collection, Miracle Curls. So I'm guessing that this is Aussie's first brand for curly hair, because it just says new. Let me leave a comment on their page, blah, blah, blah. Tell me what you think about the products. Great. So it's not a typical curl box. So it did not come in a traditional box, which I'm not mad at. It had bubble wrap in it. I have no spillage, no problem. Don't really care too much. So let's just jump in. The first one is a 16.9 fluid ounce bottle of co-wash. This is huge. And then we have a 3-minute Miracle deep conditioner for thirsty curls looking for moisture. Again, 16 fluid ounces. Yo, this is huge. I don't have any other products that come this big and are this cheap. We also have the shampoo and conditioner in the box, both 12.1 fluid ounces. Now, one thing I've heard about their conditioners or shampoos, but maybe not from like their Miracle Curls line, but just in general, now that I'm like asking about it, people have been using this brand for a long time, and I'm like, where was this when I was in college? Like, I hear how cheap it is. You can get it from like the dollar store, Walgreens, Walmart, of course, but everyone's like, oh my gosh, it's so good and it's cheap. No, I didn't get that memo in college, because this would have been a game changer. And then we also have the Creme Pudding with coconut and jojoba oil. But this is just like a little jar. 7.6 fluid ounces. I know it's kind of white, won't focus. All right. And then you just kind of have a pack of the Nourishing hair mask. They give you like a little sample pack of that. So one thing I want to point out that I've kind of read a little bit about is the Creme Pudding, and maybe some of the other ones too, if I need to just like read the box. This is my first time going through it. Some people are saying that this brand is not curly girl friendly. And what that means is some people have their hair on a very, very strict diet. No sulfates, no parabens, no silicones. These don't necessarily claim not to have it all in there. So with the Creme Pudding, it does say free of sulfates, parabens, and dyes. They don't say silicone. And I am not a scientist, or am I super well versed in all the different forms of silicone. So there actually may be some, dimethicone. So the second ingredient is dimethicone, which I do know is another like form of silicone. So if you are a person that is, I will not use this on my hair, this may not be for you. Me on the other hand, I'm not gonna not use this. Like, let me just be 100%, I'm not gonna not use this because it has dimethicone in it. I'm gonna try it. If my hair likes it, it likes it. If not, then I'm not gonna use it. But I mean, it's gonna smell good. But that's just a little tip that I've heard about now that I have it in front of me and can read it. It does have dimethicone in it. Yeah, you just kind of, some of these words are too big and I don't really know it. But I will say it doesn't, it doesn't say on the front of the conditioner what it does on the curls as well. This one says free of sulfates, parabens, and dyes, which is the co-wash. And I'm only reading the front of the bottle because, some people want it to be known that their product is all natural. It's super safe for your hair. These don't all have them. The shampoo doesn't have anything listed on the front of the bottle. The deep conditioner doesn't have anything on the front of the bottle. Oh, on the back it says sulfate free and dye free. So at least like most of these are sulfate free. If you care about that, like I said, everyone's different. Everyone, like, you know your hair. Again, some people have their hair on a very, very strict diet regimen where they will not use a product because it has that silicone in it. And I just say, like, know your hair. Of course, when everything's 100% natural, it is so much better for your hair. But if you choose to use it, then hey, go for it. I mean, I'm gonna use it and I'll let you know how I like it. Like I said, I'm not gonna not use it. But I'm really excited about this. Do you guys not see the size of this bottle? Again, this was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 things including this for $10 from curlBOX. Cannot beat that. Absolutely love it. I'm gonna try it out, let you guys know what I think. Until next time, bye.